Good morning students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are continuing unit 10 brain teasers of the chapter at page number 136. In our previous video we have discussed question number 1 and 2 of brain teasers. Now let's start question number 3. Find the average of first 10 counting numbers. In this question we don't have given the addends, the numbers. Those numbers we need to find on our own. What are the numbers? First 10 counting numbers. Can you tell what are counting numbers? Yes, counting. First 10 counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so add all these numbers. The sum is 55. So sum of addends are 55. Total number of addends are 10. Formula of average is sum of addends divides by total number of addends. 55 by 10. At the table of 10, 55 cannot be cancelled. It can be cancelled at the table of 5, but it will not be completely cancelled. So, in such cases, we leave the denominator as 10 so that it could be easily converted to decimal as 5.5. Okay, it completes our question number 3. Let's move to next question. Question number 4 is find the average of first 5 multiples of 5. Even in this question, we don't have given the addends. So, how can we find? Tell me, multiples of 5. Which are the numbers multiples of 5? Yes, the multiplication table. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. Okay, with these 5 numbers we will find its average. Firstly find sum of addends, then divide by number of addends. Okay, this question you will do on your own. Question number 5. The average age of 3 brothers is 15 years. If the age of 2 brothers is 15 years and 12 years, find the age of third brother. Here, for 3 brothers, average age is given, and for 2 brothers, their actual age is given. We need to find the age of third brother. Such kind of question we have discussed in one of the part of question number 1 of brain teasers. How did we do that question? Average age of 3 brothers is given. Firstly find the total age of 3 brothers. Tell me how to find. Come on, tell me. Yes, by multiplying the average with number of addends. This is 45 years. After this, total age of 2 brothers. As this is 15 plus 12, 27 years. Then how can we find age of third brother? Yes, total age of 3 brothers means 45 minus total age of 2 brothers means 27, which will be equals to 18 years. This is the age of third brother. Okay, it completes our question number 5. The next question is the heights of 4 members of a family are 1 meter 60 centimeter, 1 meter 50 centimeter, 1 meter 10 centimeter and 1 meter 16 centimeters respectively. Find the average height of one member of the family. The average we have find it so many times in the chapter that sum of addends divides by total number of addends. But here in this question addends are a little bit different. Here the height is given in some different way. 1 meter 60 centimeters, 1 meter 50 centimeters, 1 meter 10 centimeter and 1 meter 16 centimeter. Firstly, we will convert these heights in simplest form. How can we convert? We all know in our previous classes we have studied 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. It means this 1 meter is 100 centimeter. And this 60 centimeter means 100 plus 60, this is equals to 160 centimeters. Okay, in the same way we can convert each and every one as 160 centimeters, 150 centimeters, 110 centimeters and 116 centimeters. Okay, then simply find the sum of addends. Total number of addends, average equals to sum of addends divides by total number of addends. Cancel it and find the average. Okay, come to the last question of brain teasers is, in a school the number of girls and boys in 3 classes are given below. In LKG class, number of girls are 24, number of boys are 34. Similarly, in UKG and in class 1 are given. Now the question asked here is, find the average number of girls in a class. Simply, we find the total number of girls, means sum of addends will be 78. Total number of addends are 3. Then divide sum by total number of addends. This will be 26 girls. This is the average. Okay. In the same way, second part is find the average number of boys in a class. So, how can we find? In the same way. Okay. This part you will do on your own. Come to third. Find the total number of students in all 3 classes. Beta, students means we need to tell both number of boys as well as girls. So, to find the total number of students, we will add both of these and to get 159 total number of students. Okay, come to the next part. What is the average number of students in a class? To find the, in our A and B part, we find the average number of boys and girls. Here we need to find the average number of students, means total number of students divides by number of addends. How many addends will be here? Come on, tell. Yes, as 3 classes are given, so number of addends will be 3. Simply we wrote sum of addends equals to total number of students, that is 159. Total number of addends are 3. Average equals to sum of addends divides by total number of addends. It's 3 1s are 3 5s are 3 3s are, means 53 students is the average number of students in a class. Okay, it is compulsory to write the formula of average with each and every question. If we need to find average in a question, then we must write the formula. So this completes our unit 10. And your homework is complete and revise unit 10. Thank you.